For me, the thing is solving problems, meeting real-world challenges and solving them with science, and that's what gets me out of bed in the morning.
We were one of the first tenants. It's been really great to have the space that we have. Being able to do our own manufacturing right here in our own offices in-house has been really invaluable.
Definitely was a very big help to have this support and the stable area, having access to the best facilities and the state-of-the-art equipment.
This sort of innovation and doing things that people haven't done before, I find really exciting.
For me, it's a joy to come in here. It really is.
We have a lot of support from the government, from the university and from the hub, and that is something that is hard to find anywhere else.
It's a nice, easy environment to work in with like-minded people.
Just for the fact of you're not alone in the roller coaster of building an entrepreneurship.
It's gone from an idea of a business to being a business.
It's been really great, and our team has grown since we first moved in here, and so we've actually had that flexibility of adding extra offices.
Has helped us to get to that point where we're actually at the stage of doubling the number of people in a year. So we are growing quite fast, and that's a bit, it's very great, but it's scary as well because so many people jumping in.
And the location is fantastic. So I'm originally, and our technology is out of CSIRO. So we're within walking distance, less than 5 minutes to my former colleagues, and we've collaborated with them.
It's been really good being really centrally located in Canberra. So we have had numerous people who have been staff at ANU or students at ANU who have joined our team. What we started with was a prototype in terms of our product, and now we have a product that we're exporting to the US.
It's been a complete transformation over the 4 years we've been here. We've just changed out of all recognition. I was able to appoint my first staff member.
Just very exciting moments. All of this, the time we spend here and the effort we have in the labs in ANU have helped us to go to that speed process we are right now.
From a product that really was just originally intended for my own research can now be used by anybody to track animals anywhere in the world.
If you're a technology company, if you're a tool in the food or agricultural space, I would say it's very likely this is the best place to be in Canberra. And I would argue it's probably one of the better places to be in Australia.